If you've ever spent time using power tools, you probably already know that Makita is one of those brands you can really trust. And this year, Makita has rolled out a fresh lineup of tools that are smarter, tougher, and honestly, way more fun to work with. From powerful impact drivers to super handy outdoor gear, every new Makita tool has something cool going on. In this video, we'll show you 20 of the latest Makita tools you can get your hands on this year, and we'll break down what makes each one worth your attention. So, whether you've been a Makita fan for years, or you're just curious about what's new, you shouldn't miss this lineup. When you're dealing with stubborn bolts or heavy-duty materials, you need more than just an average driver. You need serious torque. The TD004G impact driver delivers exactly that, pushing out up to 230 Newton-meters of torque from its powerful brushless motor. It's built for demanding construction or installation jobs where consistency and strength matter. Bit changes are a breeze thanks to its one-touch installation system, which makes swapping tools quick and smooth. Dual LED job lights brighten your workspace with both pre-glow and afterglow functions, so even dim corners stay visible. The trigger gives you precise variable speed control, and you can choose from 4 different impact modes depending on the task. There's even a special T-mode made for working with thin metal sheets, helping you avoid overdriving or damaging materials. All in all, it's a strong, smart, and versatile driver designed to handle whatever the job throws at you. After all that drilling and cutting, keeping your space clean becomes just as important as getting the job done. That's where the VC013GL cordless vacuum steps in. Powered by Makita's 40-volt XGT system, it delivers strong, consistent suction, which is powerful enough to lift 3 full 500-milliliter bottles with ease. Inside, a larger motor and faster rotation speed give you up to 15 kilopascals of sealed suction and a flow rate of 2 cubic meters per minute. Even with all that power, it stays surprisingly quiet. Depending on the mode you pick, the runtime can last anywhere between 22 and 120 minutes on a full charge. Its tank holds 7.5 liters for dry debris and 4.5 liters for wet cleanup, and that makes it perfect for any site or workshop. Now, if you want to customize it, you've got a full lineup of accessories: filters, hoses, caster sets, and pipe kits for a setup that fits how you work. Once the area's clean, it's time for the detailed work, the kind that needs precision and control. That's exactly what the V186 Jigsaw is built for. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to handle, making it great for smooth, accurate cuts. You can switch between 3 orbital settings or straight cutting just by using the lever, and the 18mm stroke length gives you enough depth for a variety of materials. The variable speed trigger helps you stay in control, letting you adjust as you move through different cuts. A sturdy aluminum base keeps it stable and balanced, while optional accessories like the guide rail adapter or sub-base set make it adaptable to more complex projects. Whether you're trimming wood, cutting panels, or shaping materials, this jigsaw keeps things steady, clean, and professional without the bulk or fuss of heavier tools. Some jobs take you into tight corners where regular grinders just can't reach. That's where the GA055G and GA056G flathead angle grinders shine. Both run on the 40-volt max XGT battery system and come with a 125mm wheel, giving you power and precision in compact form. The GA055G uses a slide switch, while the GA056G features a paddle switch, so you can pick the feel that suits your work style. Here, the flathead design reduces the access angle at the tip, allowing you to grind or deburr even in narrow or recessed areas, as tight as 39 degrees. Powered by a brushless motor with an electric brake and an adjustable speed dial ranging from 3,000 to 9,000 rotations per minute. Overall, these grinders deliver smooth performance and excellent control, especially in spots where standard models struggle. Now, after all the cutting and grinding, sometimes the real finishing touches happen outdoors. The DUP181 cordless pruning shears make garden or orchard work feel effortless. They weigh just 0.76 kilograms on their own, or 1.4 kilograms with the battery, so you can prune comfortably for hours. Inside, a brushless motor drives the sharp blades with smooth precision, cutting branches up to 30 millimeters thick. A built-in sensor keeps the blade movement perfectly in sync with your trigger pulls, giving you steady, natural control. You can also adjust the blade opening through 4 angle settings to match different branch sizes, improving efficiency and reducing hand fatigue. There's even a standby mode to save battery when you pause. Maintenance is simple. Blade oil can be applied externally without taking anything apart. And with an optional long handle attachment, you can trim higher branches safely and comfortably without needing a ladder. When you're working on large-scale reinforcement, speed and consistency are everything. The TR001G steps in with serious tying strength, up to 180% higher than the older 18-volt model. It ties rebars tight and fast, keeping your workflow smooth even on demanding jobs. Powered by a 40-volt XGT battery and a brushless motor, it uses 1.6mm wire to deliver clean, secure ties every time. The wire pullback mechanism automatically tightens and retracts the wire tip, ensuring a solid bind that won't loosen easily. Loading wire reels is quick and simple too. Just open the cover, and the linked reel and feed mechanism create a gap for easy drop-in loading. The tool also twists wires clockwise, reducing the chance of them coming undone if you ever retighten by hand. For added comfort, there's an optional extension handle so you can work while standing. Strong, fast, and reliable, the TR001G makes tying rebar safer and less tiring, especially during long hours on site. And once the ties are done, you'll need a cutter that can keep up. The SC001G is built for that, cutting 16mm rebar in under 2 seconds. It's fast, powerful, and cleaner, reducing debris and keeping safety in check. The rotating head makes it easy to reach into tight or awkward spots, so you're not fighting for space while cutting. With a brushless motor and a strong hydraulic unit, it delivers steady power and reliability without slowing down. Pair it with the TR001G, and you've got a perfect duo for reinforcement work. Quick ties, clean cuts, and less downtime between each task. That's the kind of precision you want when handling rebar day after day. Moving outdoors, the DLM466 gives you petrol-like mowing power, without the fumes, cords, or hassle. It runs on 2 18-volt LXT batteries in series, giving strong, steady performance for big lawns. The 46cm steel deck is built tough for long-term durability, and the mower itself is fully washable, so cleanup is quick after use. You can adjust the handle height for comfort, check the grass level easily, and even switch between normal and low noise modes when you're working early mornings. A forward-tilted blade helps prevent double cutting, which boosts efficiency and runtime. Simple to use and easy to maintain, the DLM466 delivers that clean, even cut every time while keeping things quiet and eco-friendly. When you move from the garden to the workshop, precision becomes the priority. The DST630 is designed exactly for that. Lightweight, well-balanced, and incredibly accurate. It's great for cabinetry, trim, or finish work where clean results matter. The tool comes with adjustable driving depth, a slim nose for better visibility, and an anti-dry fire mechanism that prevents misfires. You've also got an LED job light to brighten dark corners and selectable firing modes to match your pace. With a magazine that holds up to 100 staples, it's built for steady workflow and smooth operation. Every staple lands cleanly, and you get the kind of control that makes fine detail work easier and faster. Winter snowstorms can turn even short driveways into a real headache, and that's where the SN001G snowblower really shines. This cordless powerhouse makes snow removal quick and effortless without the hassle of cords or messy petrol engines. With a clearing width of 530 millimeters, it covers a wide path in each pass, and the powerful brushless motor ensures smooth, consistent performance while handling both fresh snow and icy patches. The controls are designed for ease and precision. On the left handle, you can adjust the rotation speed to match the snow's thickness, and on the right, you control the discharge direction, which rotates a full 180 degrees to throw snow exactly where you want it. The foldable handle makes storage simple, while the built-in LED lights keep your path visible during early mornings or dim winter evenings. Compact yet robust, this snowblower makes winter cleanup faster, safer, and less tiring, turning what could be a frustrating chore into something almost effortless. With its combination of cordless convenience, adjustable controls, and solid power, the SN001G is the tool that ensures you stay ahead of winter storms. Alright, we've got the new LXT nailer lineup that everyone's been asking for. So, Makita has added 3 new cordless nailers to their LXT platform, perfect for trim work, finishing, and detailed carpentry. There are 3 cordless nailers, the XNBO, 4, 5, and 6. Each one is designed to deliver the power and precision you'd expect from Makita's LXT lineup, but without the hassle of air hoses or gas cartridges. And Makita completely rethought how nailers should work with their new pneumatic spring mechanism that gives you that smooth, pneumatic feel without all the compressor hassles. There are 2 mode selectors also, and the brad nailer drives 2-inch nails, while both finish nailers handle up to 2.5-inch nails with serious precision. What sets these apart is the ultra-slim nose design that gets into tight spaces where other nailers just can't reach. And these are lighter and more balanced than the previous models, with up to 2 times faster nailing speeds. The depth adjustment is tool-free, and you get both sequential and bump fire modes. The big win here is no more dragging around compressors and dealing with hoses, but you still get that professional pneumatic feel that makes all the difference on finish work. Here's something a little different from Makita, and it's aimed directly at HVAC professionals who need serious vacuum power on the job. The 18-volt X2 LXT dual-stage vacuum pump delivers an impressive 4 cubic feet per minute, which is powerful enough to purge industrial-sized air conditioning units, something that simply wasn't possible with cordless tools before. The smart part is its dual battery setup. It runs on a single 18-volt battery, but there's space for 2 batteries that work sequentially, giving you up to 60 minutes of runtime when using 2 6-amp-hour batteries. You also get a 30 milliliter oil tank, designed for longer, uninterrupted operation. Another highlight is the electromagnetic check valve, which prevents backflow even if the battery dies. A huge deal for HVAC work where precision and reliability matter most. Professionals are calling this useful, letting them go completely cordless on job sites that once required gas or electric vacuum pumps. The dual-stage design means it pulls deeper vacuum levels faster, making installations quicker, cleaner, and more reliable, all with the freedom of the LXT platform. This compact 18-volt LXT polisher and sander combo is built for precision detail work, perfect for areas where bigger tools just can't fit. Despite its small size, it delivers serious professional performance. It features a dual-speed selector, up to 2800 RPM in polishing mode, and up to 9500 RPM for sanding, giving you true versatility whether you're finishing surfaces or buffing out fine details. Powered by a brushless motor, it runs cooler and more efficiently, offering longer runtime and less heat buildup, which is critical when working on delicate materials. Users also love the rubberized gear housing that helps protect the surface you're working on from accidental scuffs or scratches. Safety is also built in with anti-restart protection that prevents the tool from accidentally turning on after battery changes. Plus, you get 3-inch polishing pads and 2-inch sanding accessories included, plus star protection technology, which continuously monitors battery and tool performance in real time. From furniture refinishing to automotive touch-ups and precision sanding, this subcompact tool delivers the control, comfort, and consistency professionals rely on. Now this one is all about serious cutting power. The Makita UC030G is a 40-volt XGT cordless chainsaw that's designed to rival 50 to 60 cubic centimeters gas-powered saws, but without all the maintenance, fumes, or pull start hassle. It features an adjustable chain speed that goes up to 29 meters per second, with 3 speed settings to match different cutting conditions. The ergonomic soft grip handle keeps you comfortable and in control, even during long cutting sessions. Runtime is impressive too. With a high output battery, you can get serious cutting performance, clocking high-speed cuts in just under 9 seconds. The control interface is bright and clear, offering excellent visibility and easy operation, while the saw also delivers superb acceleration and responsiveness. Plus, it's rated IPX4M for water and dust resistance, meaning it's built tough for outdoor use. Users say the power delivery feels smooth and consistent, without the jerky startup common in gas saws. The automatic chain lubrication and tool-free chain tensioning make maintenance simple. Professional landscapers are using these to replace their gas saws completely. The Makita HG001G is a 40-volt XGT cordless heat gun, and it's a big step up from the previous 18-volt model in every way. It now reaches a maximum temperature of 600 degrees Celsius, and it delivers 80% more airflow for faster heat performance. It's built to handle a wide range of heat processing tasks, from paint removal and plastic welding to shrink tubing and soldering, all with the freedom of cordless use. Here, the backlit LCD display is a standout feature, letting you clearly see temperature settings, airflow modes, and battery levels, plus any error icons that might appear. You can fine-tune both temperature and air volume, giving you precise control for every job. And it provides a maximum air volume of 200 liters per minute. And the kit includes multiple nozzle attachments, like a glass protection, wide slot, reflector, reduction, solder sleeves reflector, welding, and overland welding nozzle. All packed neatly in a protective case. And these nozzles make it ready for paint removal, shrink tubing, plastic welding, and all the heat applications you need. Users love the increased power and runtime, calling it a true professional grade upgrade for anyone working in automotive, electrical, or finishing applications. When you're grinding or polishing metal and the cord keeps tangling or holding you back, that's where the Makita 40-volt XGT die grinder solves. It gives you the freedom of cordless power without losing precision or control. There are two versions, the GD001G with a slide switch and the GD002G, which features a paddle switch for smoother handling. Both come loaded with power, using a brushless motor and an electric brake for safety and quick stops. You get a speed adjustment dial that lets you go from 7,000 RPM all the way up to 29,000, ideal for rust removal, polishing, and grinding. The spindle lock button makes accessory changes super easy. It's got active feedback sensing technology that cuts power if it binds, built-in LEDs for better visibility, and even high water resistance for rough conditions. But what really makes it shine is the XGT battery system, which provides consistent power under heavy load, with performance that feels just like a pneumatic grinder, minus the hose and compressor. After all that grinding or cutting, cleanup time usually means dragging around a heavy vacuum, right? Not anymore. The Makita X GT cordless vacuum cleaner makes cleanup effortless. It's built for both wet and dry cleanup, offering 15 kilopascals of max sealed suction and an airflow volume of 2 cubic meters per minute. And here's the best part. It's quiet, running at just 75 decibels, so you don't have to shout over it. The VC013GL model supports wireless activation, compatible with Makita's AutoStart wireless system, while the 14GL version includes a flexible hose that stretches from 0.4 to 2 meters for extended reach. Both have filter bags for easy disposal and tank capacities of 7.5 liters dry or 4.5 liters wet, so you can handle big cleanup jobs without constant emptying. There's even a blower function and adjustable suction ranging from 25 to 165 watts, giving you precise control. With IPX4 rated water resistance and 22 to 120 minutes of runtime, it's designed for job sites that need quiet power and full mobility. Once your workspace is cleaned up, there's still that fine layer of dust or shavings left behind. That's where the Makita 40-volt XGT compact blower comes in. It's small and built for fast cleanups that don't need a full-size blower. Despite its compact body, this thing moves air like a beast, 127 cubic feet per minute and up to 221 miles per hour of airspeed. That's serious blowing force packed into a 20.2 5-inch long tool that's easy to carry, control, and maneuver in tight spaces. Plus, you'll get up to 30 minutes of runtime on high, and 3 speed settings let you balance power and battery life depending on the job. Whether it's clearing off sawdust, blowing debris out of tools, or quick yard cleanup, it's fast, efficient, and comfortable to hold. The ergonomic design and lightweight feel mean less fatigue, even during extended use. And because it's part of the XGT lineup, you get cordless convenience without losing that industrial level power. For many pros, this compact blower is becoming the perfect alternative to using compressed air. Now, if you're stepping outside for yard work or landscaping, Makita's 40-volt XGT 6-inch pruning saw is the perfect companion. It's small, powerful, and designed for precision, whether you're pruning branches or doing light limbing. The GCU07 model comes with a 6-inch bar and chain, and features a toolless chain tensioning system that makes maintenance quick and easy. Don't be fooled by its size. It delivers up to 80% more power and 70% faster cuts. And it's capable of making up to 400 cuts in 2-inch cedar with a 40-volt max XGT 2.5 amp-hour battery. And it weighs just under 5 pounds, so you can work longer with less fatigue. It's fully tool-free, letting you adjust and go in seconds. Built on Makita's advanced brushless motor and intelligent digital communication system, it delivers smooth, efficient performance. This saw is compact but fierce, built to outpower, outsmart, and outlast, whether you're trimming trees or maintaining a job site. When it's time for serious cutting, big timber, thick beams, or pressure-treated lumber, Makita's 40-volt Max XGT 16.3-inch circular saw, model GSH06, is ready to take charge. This is the world's largest cordless circular saw, and it doesn't just compete with corded. It cuts up to 30% faster. It can handle 6x material at 90 degrees and 4x at 45 degrees, all in one smooth pass. The bevel range goes from 0 to 45 degrees, with positive stops at 15, 30, and 45, giving you precision on every angle. On a single 5 amp-hour battery, it can deliver up to 75 cuts. What's impressive is how Makita managed to pack that power into a tool that weighs a bit over 24 pounds, and that's 4 pounds lighter than corded models, so thanks to its die-cast aluminum build. It's ergonomic, well-balanced, and ready for demanding cuts. The XGT system pushes cordless performance to new levels, giving pros the freedom to leave the cords behind without slowing down. Big cuts, no compromise. That's what this saw delivers. So, that's all about the 20 new Makita tools that you can buy this year. It looks like they're gearing up to bring even more innovation your way. To be the first to know about them, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as whenever a new tool hits the market, we bring it straight to you. And let us know in the comments what Makita tools you're currently using, what you're skipping, and what you think Makita should work on next.